Hey guys, welcome back to another video on how to crypto. In this video, I will show you how you can download Exodus crypto wallet. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to stick till the end. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to tap and open up the Play Store or App Store on your device, and there search for Exodus crypto wallet, and then tap on install button. And once you tap on install button, it will get started to download and install to your device. Now the wallet has been downloaded and installed to your device. Now tap on open button to open up the app. And now you can tap on I already have wallet to get logged into your Exodus crypto wallet. And if you don't have your account yet, you can tap on create new wallet and create your Exodus crypto wallet. Now that's all it takes to download Exodus crypto wallet. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.